Today, I will show you how you can migrate a GoDaddy website to Hostinger. First, open the Hostinger website and click on the Websites tab. Then click on Migrate Website. There are two options, Use Login Details or Upload Backup. We will choose Use Login Details. As you can see, now you need to enter your domain name. So enter your website URL here that you want to migrate and then click on Next. Here, if your website is on WordPress, you can select WordPress. Otherwise, you can choose your hosting panel. Since my website is on WordPress, I will select WordPress and enter its credentials here. First, enter the username and then the password. After that, click on the Next button. Once it is done, Hostinger will start loading your WordPress website and connect to your WordPress database. It will automatically fetch all the details from there. Now, you can see that the process is connected to Hostinger for migrating your site. After that, you need to wait for the migration to complete. Once your database is fully connected, it may take around 30 minutes. Now, submit the request. As you can see, my migration has started, and here you can check the status. My migration request has been successfully submitted. It may take a few minutes to a couple of hours. So, until then, we will have to wait and check when it is completed. As you can see now, the website database has been transferred to Hostinger. Now, the next step is to change the DNS name servers. My website was previously running on GoDaddy, and now I want it to run on Hostinger. For this, you need to connect your domain to Hostinger. Here are the options. As you can see, my domain is on GoDaddy, and it is currently using Cloudflare DNS. We need to change this to the Hostinger name servers. For this, click on Login and log into GoDaddy. Then click on your domain name. After that, go to the DNS or name servers section. Replace the current name servers with the Hostinger name servers provided by Hostinger. Once it is done, submit and save the changes. The name servers have now been changed. Now, go back to Hostinger. I have already added the name servers here. Click on this option and check the migration status. As you can see, the migration has been completed. Hostinger may take a few hours to connect your domain and update the DNS records. Until then, your website may stop working temporarily. You can also check your SSL certificate to see whether Hostinger has installed it or not. The Hostinger SSL certificate is also active, so everything is working properly. After a few hours, I checked my website and it was fully migrated to Hostinger. Now you can check whether your website is working fine. These are the steps that you need to follow to migrate your GoDaddy